In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how we can export a video in Filmora just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So I just made this video and I want to export this video in Filmora, okay? It's super easy. So all you have to do, guys, is you just need to click over here on export, okay? And you need to choose the file that you want to export to from here. You can click here and you can choose from your laptop the file. So for example, you have CapCut file, or you can use downloads. For example, I'm gonna just leave it in CapCut file. Click on open, scroll down, go to resolution, choose the quality of your video that you want to use. So for example, I'm gonna just leave it in this quality and scroll down. So just leave those information like this and click over here on export, okay? And your video will be exported to your laptop. It's super easy and simple. That's how we can export video in Filmora. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.